Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm a dividend and value investor. I just love stocks and I try to make videos and I make sure I give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can. I do a whole bunch of research to make sure you guys don't have to. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Workhorse stock. The big question is Workhorse stock a must-buy stock heading into year 2021? There's a lot of things going around pertaining to this company. I know this is one of these high-profile companies, one of these EV companies that has been taking the storm this year, already moving up over 600% this year alone. And there's so many things pertaining to this company, whether it's the USPS contract, whether or not they will get it or not. So in this video, I want to give you guys some specific details to why you should not worry about Workhorse not getting the contract, or if they do get the contract, the benefits of this contract, and at the end, what will actually happen if they don't end up with the contract at all. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of great information for you all. Alright guys, so the moment this video is being recorded, Workhorse is trading at $20.69 right now. It's still market open. It's 10:27 a.m. and they are down 2.95%. Okay, and just to let you guys know, Workhorse is an EV company that has been, kicking butt this year. You can see the 1-year chart. In January, they were trading at $3.11, and they shot up to the highs of at least $30.60. So you can see in a 1-year growth, this company in a way is pretty volatile. If we look down at their beta, you see that their beta is 3.49. And that is extremely volatile for any sort of company. And they have a market cap of $2.494 billion. But we'll talk about the market cap in a little bit. Okay, so if we look at the past 6 months, you can see that it is pretty volatile, going from $15 to $30, back down to $15, back up to $28, and right now is at $20. Okay, one of the main reasons to why it's a lot of fluctuation is because the USPS had a contract, a huge billions of dollars worth of contracts to basically make the whole transit fleets and to revamp them. Okay, they just want to upgrade their fleets, and Workhorse is one of the 3 finalists left in order to see whether or not they will get partial of this contract or the entirety of this contract. And the USPS keeps on delaying the decision to basically announce the winner. So that's why there's a lot of fluctuation, and supposedly the USPS is going to announce the winner in the first quarter heading into year 2021. Okay, so now if we look at what analysts have been saying about Workhorse, you can see that right here, number 1 being a strong buy, number 5 being a sell. Analysts have Workhorse a 2.1, which means it's a buy. Okay, you can see right here they have the low price target of $19 and a high price target of $29 with an average of $24 a share. Okay, which isn't too bad for a company. So in this video, I want to talk about these 2 articles that I found pretty interesting. The first one is called Workhorse Group Stock Surged 655% in 2020, but is it a buy for year 2021? One of the big question marks heading into year 2021 is, will Workhorse get this contract or not? Okay, but this article goes in so much more in depth, and not just talking about the contract. Number 1 is that Workhorse is in a promising niche. It's in the EV sector. Okay, we all know 2020 was the year of the EV companies. Tesla, NIO, Xpeng, all these companies were shooting up high. Anything related to the EV side of electric vehicles were shooting up. Okay, so right now it's in a pretty good niche to basically move forward, and has a lot of room for growth. And just by being an electric vehicle and in the realm, it has a lot of potential for growth. And this next section is great expectations. One of the great expectations that it has is getting the USPS contract. But in the other article that I'm going to show you guys, we'll talk a little bit more in depth. Okay. And another thing, there is competition. Okay, we all said it. When it comes to the EV side, Workhorse is trying to make transportation vehicles. Okay, vans, electric vans. Okay, which hasn't really been, let's say, perfected. Okay, but they have a little competition. There's a company called Arrival, a UK-based company that's making their first factory in North America, in South Carolina to be more specific. So there's going to be a little bit more competition heading into basically this transit electric vehicle side. And this other article that I found really interesting that talks really more in depth about the USPS contract is called "Don't Listen to the Bears, Workhorse Stock Has a Bright Future." It's in the website Investors Place. If you guys ever just want to read it more in depth into you guys. I'm not going to read the entire article. I'm just going to give you guys the main points to make sure you guys get the most value information from this article possible. But if you ever guys want to, go back and reread it, you're welcome to. Okay, so one of the main things that they're talking about is the USPS contract, whether or not they will get it, what will be the benefits of getting it, and what will be the cons of not getting this contract. Okay, in the very beginning, it's talking about the growth of Workhorse and how they shot up 670% this year alone because of the anticipation of Workhorse winning the USPS contract. They're one of the 3 finalists. If we scroll down, we could see that one of the other finalists is Carson. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced that right. It's a Turkish-based company. It's very unlikely that amid the currently unstable geopolitical climate and with COVID-19 reminding us that global supply chains are fragile and subject to widespread disruption, USPS will rely on a company halfway across the globe to upgrade its entire fleet. That is a very, very good point. Okay, why is the USPS going to rely on a company basically on the other side of the world to make their fleets if there's worrisomes and concerns relating to COVID-19? If there's another lockdown or restrictions, the USPS cannot get their vehicles. That's a major concern, and USPS has them as one of the 3 finalists, but maybe they're not really one of the finalists. One of the 2 finalists will probably be Workhorse and this other one called Oshkosh, which is also partnering up with Ford. Okay, and in the very beginning, it's talking about how just by being partnered up with Ford, that's a very good thing because the USPS has, is giving them credibility. Oshkosh and Ford, just by having Ford in it, you're going to have credibility, obviously, okay? But one of the thing is, the Ford Oshkosh vehicle was built on an internal combustion engine. In today's world where decarbonization is front and center, why would USPS go from old internal combustion cars to new internal combustion cars? Doesn't make sense, which is true. Why are you going to try to upgrade your vehicles, which is not really performing, to another vehicle that's a little bit newer, but still the same thing that you just had? It's just like you're getting a Toyota from year 2000 to 2005, if that makes any sense. It's basically the same thing. If you guys read this article, you could kind of see how Workhorse is the clear-cut, winner, or at least the one in front to win the full contract or partial of this contract. Okay, so why is this a huge thing? Well, Workhorse is a company that hasn't really made any profit yet. Okay, this year, if everything goes right, they'll end year 2020 with $1 million in revenue. Okay, that's not after expenses, that's not after anything. But if they get this contract, okay, they're gonna turn a company that makes $1 million in revenue in 1 year to a company that's gonna be making millions, maybe even billions of dollars within the next following years. It's not gonna happen overnight, so maybe they could be a $1 billion company by year 2025. This market cap of this company is already inflated because the anticipation of winning this contract. So if they don't win this contract, obviously this company is going to be extremely overvalued, and there's going to be a huge sell-off for this company. Okay, so the benefits are this: if they get this contract, good, they're going to get a contract worth over $6 billion. Okay, their market cap is not going to be inflated. They're not going to be in a way overvalued anymore. Investors are going to be more attracted to this company, and by year 2025, maybe in 2 or 3 years, when they start actually delivering these vehicles, this company is going to have more manpower, more backlog orders, and more eyes on this company if they perform well, and they'll be getting more clientele and selling more electric vehicles. That's best case scenario. The worst case scenario is that if they don't get this contract whatsoever, this company is going to have a huge sell-off. Investors are going to completely not believe in this company at all. Okay, this company may struggle to grow. Let's say in year 2025, it still may be struggling to grow. Okay, this USPS contract is really key for this company. Hopefully, for a lot of Workhorse bulls, they get this contract, and for a lot of Workhorse bears, it is what it is. Okay, guys, so that's basically these 2 articles that I kind of found interesting and I kind of wanted to push out to you. So if you guys want to start reading these articles, this first one is in Investor's Place, and this other one is in the NASDAQ, okay? In the NASDAQ website. You just look up Workhorse and the article should be there, okay, guys? I kind of hope you guys like the videos, enjoy the videos, got some great value information from it. If I miss anything, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should cover next on my next Workhorse video or any videos coming up in my channel. Okay, guys, if you guys did like the video and want to be part of the community and want to support the hustle, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support I've been getting of late. Peace out. Have a great day. Please wear your masks. Till next time, guys. Have a great day.